The year 2024 is a great time to be a budget-minded gamer looking for a powerful laptop. Here's a breakdown of the top 4 contenders under $1,900. Number 1. Asus ROG Strix G16. This sleek machine packs a serious punch. Imagine buttery smooth visuals with a 16-inch 240Hz ROG Nebula display and the power of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. The 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900HX processor ensures you can conquer any game with ease, plus 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD keep things lightning fast. My experience. During testing, the ROG Strix G16 handled AAA titles like a champ. The display's colors were vibrant, and the high refresh rate made every action feel incredibly responsive. The laptop did get a tad warm under a heavy load, but ASUS's cooling system kept things manageable. Should you buy it? Absolutely, this is a fantastic option for serious gamers who prioritize performance and a stunning display. Number 2. Lenovo Legion Pro 5. The Legion Pro 5 goes for a more balanced approach. It boasts a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 7745HX processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, delivering excellent performance at a slightly lower price point than the ROG Strix. The 16-inch 165Hz WQXGA display is no slouch either, offering sharp visuals for immersive gaming. My experience. This laptop surprised me with its ability to handle demanding games while staying cool and quiet. The 32 GB of DDR5 RAM is a big plus for multitasking between games and other applications. Should you buy it? If you value a balance between power, affordability, and thermals, the Legion Pro 5 is a compelling choice. Number 3. MSI GE76 Raider. While not the newest model, the GE76 Raider offers incredible value. It features a powerful Intel Core i9-12900H processor and an NVIDIA RTX 3060. While not the latest RTX 40 series, the 3060 is still a beast for most games at 1080p resolution. The 17.3-inch 144Hz FHD display provides a large viewing area for a truly immersive experience. My experience, this laptop is a powerhouse for the price. It tackled even the most demanding games with ease, although the slightly older RTX 3060 might struggle with newer titles at higher resolutions. The larger screen is fantastic for those who prefer a desktop-like experience. Should you buy it? Gamers on a tighter budget who prioritize raw performance and a big screen will find a lot to love about the GE76 Raider. However, keep in mind it's not the newest model on the market. Number 4. Gigabyte Aorus 17H. This machine boasts the most powerful GPU on this list. The monstrous NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080, paired with an Intel Core i7-13700H processor. It's a content creator's dream, capable of handling demanding tasks like video editing and 3D rendering alongside top-tier gaming. The 17.3-inch 360Hz FHD display delivers the smoothest gameplay you can get. My experience, the Aorus 17H is a true powerhouse. Games were buttery smooth at high frame rates, and the editing software ran like a charm. However, the focus on raw performance comes at a cost. The laptop is quite bulky and gets toasty under heavy load. Should you buy it? If you need an absolute beast for gaming and content creation, the Aorus 17H is a fantastic option. However, be prepared for its size and thermals.